election interference case against President Donald Trump is over. Now the case could cost taxpayers in Fulton County millions of dollars. Channel 2's Richard Elliott reports a new Georgia law means that lawyers for the president and the other defendants can file paperwork to get fully reimbursed for their legal fees.
Early Thanksgiving morning, President Donald Trump's Georgia attorney Steve Sadow posted what we already knew was coming. He would be filing to recover all the legal fees Trump spent defending himself in the election interference case. Quote, now that President Trump has won his Georgia case, we will be moving for attorney's fees and costs under Georgia code. That code, passed last year and tailored specifically for this case, allows the defendants to recover their legal costs if the prosecuting attorney was disqualified for misconduct and the case was dismissed. We spoke exclusively with defendant Robert Cheeley's attorney, Chris Anulowitz. Anulowitz agreed that under Georgia law, his client is entitled to get his legal fees back, and he confirmed it was their intention to ask for it.
He was very grateful that this has been a long ordeal. It's been an expensive ordeal, and he was very relieved and grateful about the non-prosecution that came about today.
While no one knows the exact amount of legal fees all the defendants pay to all their attorneys, speculation is that Fulton County taxpayers could now be on the hook for tens of millions of dollars in compensation. Emory Law professor John Acevedo agreed these kinds of cases involving racketeering charges, especially when they involve high-profile people such as Donald Trump, will have a hefty price tag.
Once you're dealing with folks who are wealthy, whether that's the president or an actor, musician, football player, they have the money to bring a lot of legal experts to bear on their case and to cause delays.
In Atlanta, Richard Elliott, Channel 2 Action News.
More details now on the former investigation. Prosecutors initially accused the president and more than a dozen others of conspiring to overturn the 2020 election results. According to the indictment, President Trump called the Georgia Secretary of State to find 11,000 votes. The accusation also included intimidating Fulton County poll workers. 4 people accused agreed to plead guilty and cooperate.